What's going on, guys? How are you doing? I was wondering, what happens when you add Star Wars Battlefront 2 gameplay with Lego Star Wars? It's complete Saga, death sound effects, and yeah, I'll tell you what, this masterpiece is what has come from this idea. Let's check it out.
You cannot hide forever.
Now you will experience the full power of dark side. I sense your fear.
Your defeat is at hand. Surrender, and I promise you will die quickly. You only prolong your agony. I've been looking forward to this.
I will collect the price on your head. There's no escape from me.
Greetings, exalted ones.
I don't know where you get your delusions, laser brain.
Great, kid. Don't get cocky. First! It's all about timing.
How you doing, you old pirate? So good to see you.
Careful where you shoot.
Hello there. Sorry for the mess.
This is where the fun begins. You really did think this through.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da 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 da.
Do or do not. There is no try.